Hello Sandy, this is Lucas. I'm just doing this little video so you can get your head around categories and subcategories. What I've done is I've put your website on a dev link, so we're not working on the live site, so no matter what I do at the moment, it's not going to publish to your actual website. So the plan is for you to have a look at what I'm doing, and then you can replicate it on your published site. So the first thing that we're going to look at is over on the left-hand side, you've got products. And then if you go down to categories, it'll bring up this screen here. So first thing to note is that these little hyphens here, these are subcategories. So you can see that leather goods is a subcategory to accessories, which is, I assume, what you want. One thing I've noticed is that if you go down further, it looks like you've got subcategories. So I would avoid doing this. It can be confusing for yourself and the user. So just try to use subcategories. So what we're going to do is we are going to create a new product and then create a subcategory scarves under accessories. So we're going to go to add new products over here on the left-hand side. And it seems like you know how to do all this, so I'm not going to go too much into this. So we've got your product name, test description, and then you add your photo down here. You do your meta description here. This is for your SEO. And then this is where it all comes in. So here on the right-hand side, we're going to go add new category. And what we're going to do is we're going to call it scarves. S-C-A-R-V, scarves. The most important thing is to assign the parent category to accessories. And then you add new category. That subcategory should now take effect. So you can see here, similar to the hyphens, you've got scarves and leather goods as subcategories to accessories. So when we're assigning categories to a product, we need to make sure we're giving it a category and a subcategory. So if we click on accessories and scarves, then we hit publish. Wait for that to load, and then we're going to bring up the site. And we go to shop. So I can see you've done very well with this. So if we click on accessories, you will see that that test product that I've put in has now come up in the accessories category. So that's the main thing. And then users can filter between the subcategories. So if you had 10 in leather goods and 10 in scarves, and then you click on the scarves, it would only bring up the scarves subcategory. As you can see here, if I was to click on the leather goods subcategory, then it won't come up because we haven't assigned it to the subcategory leather goods. If we were to go on the parent category, accessories, then all of your products that you've assigned to each subcategory would come up in this section here. And then, as I said, users would filter it down using the drop downs on the left-hand side. Another thing I thought we would speak about is that I can see that you've got one product in home decor, and it looks like you haven't assigned it a category, which is fine, but this product is actually not going to show on the website at all unless we link one of these boxes to home decor. So essentially what you need to do is create an additional box, call it home decor, and then I'll show you what that looks like. So this search on the left-hand side, this will filter down all of your categories and subcategories. So if we go to home decor, yep. So I can see that you've got one product in there. So this is so obviously the product is in the back end of the site, but users can't access it because they can't access it from that shop page. So yeah, what you need to do is you need to create an additional box and then do a hyperlink to this link here, and then users can get taken to the home decor products. I would assign it to a subcategory as well, just because it seems like you want to add a lot of products, so you want users to be able to filter down exactly what product they want. So in order to do that, just go back to the shop page and select Edit with Elementor. Then what these boxes are, these actually have nothing to do with your shop at all. This is just a way for users to navigate through to your products. So what you can do is click on these little 6 dots and hit copy, and then click on them again and hit paste, and that will bring up a replica of that. And then so you would call this home decor here, change the product, the photo, and then the hyperlink here, you would call it home decor. Oop, spell it correctly. And then we'll see how that looks. Just refresh it. And then if I've done that correctly, it should take us through to the home decor product page. And here you go. So that should be everything. Obviously, what you want to do on that other shop page is, so always do edit with Elementor when doing changes on the front end of the website. And then you want to get rid of these other ones here because you don't want to double them up. So I would just delete them. Just make sure not to delete the actual column. Otherwise, it's gonna look all messed up. It's gonna start looking like this. So I'm just gonna undo what I did there, and that looks nice and neat there. Then hit update. And then you can click on that. Another thing that you should be doing as well, and it looks like you have been doing this already, which is great. You want to link the actual photo to that same home decor page as well. So I can also see that you've got 2 products assigned to the category health and beauty. If you would, we might just do that again. So if you go into, let's go to this page. Sorry, just waiting for everything to load. And then you can right click on this column here and do duplicate, get rid of one of these columns so it looks neat. And then you would link that to health and beauty here. So the sub means the URL, and then product category, and then you'll go health and beauty like that. Another thing I thought we would go over is to bring up all of the products. So you just click on products, they're all products, then you can filter down by category here. So if you go select health and beauty, where is it? And then search products. This will bring up the 2 products that's currently in health and beauty. But as I said before, users can't see these products because you haven't linked the shop page to this category page. So that's essentially what we've done here. Just refresh that. And then click on health and beauty or home decor, but that's still linking to the health and beauty page. And here we've got your products for health and beauty. If you want to alter the category that product is sitting in, you just go to edit the actual product. And then you can untick it from health and beauty. and then you can add it to the accessories page, for example. Yeah, as I said, it's always good if you've got a subcategory to assign it to a subcategory. And just remember, this is how you create new categories here. And just remember to assign it to a parent category. So I'm going to recategorize this particular product to accessories, and we'll do scarves. And then hit update. So now if we go into accessories here, this will now bring up that health and beauty product that we reassign the category to. That should be everything. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call directly and we can go over it again. Thanks for your time.